Hi, my name is Katie, and in this video, we're going to go over our schedule onboarding call. First thing you're going to want to do is click on it and click get for free. And then you're going to want to hit firm templates, tasks, and go ahead and find that template. This can be used as a one-off task or as part of your onboarding pipeline. So here you can see all the information involved in the task. You can assign it to a team member, or you can assign it to a role. It starts today and is due today. You can also use your Calendly link or any other integrated calendar you have and email them a link or send them a link through the chat. Some tasks for this task are to host on an onboarding call with the client, complete the onboarding document request list in TaxDome. You can use our new checklist feature for that. And then you want to make sure that you send that document request onboarding email. You want to make sure you have all this information so that you can make sure that they fit for your firm. Go ahead and click Save and Exit. And then we're going to assign this as a one-off task. Go ahead and click New Task. We're going to assign it to our test account, which is my name. And then I'm going to go ahead and search for our template. And here you can see all the information that is involved in this task. We're going to click Create. And it's going to show the task is created for our test account. And if you click on it, it's going to show you all of the information involved in that task. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.